Hey, what's up everybody? It's your brother Josiah back with another video. I'm just trying to address the situation with this Metra kit. Just crank the car up and this is what it's doing. This is what it does every time I crank the car up. When it's, at least when it's cold, when I had it, it just phases like that. But when I had, in the summertime or something like that, it never did it. It never did it. But I'm not sure when it's cold why it's doing it. So let me see if I can update the driver or try to just check and see if wires are okay, because I soldered all my wires on, so I know my part is good, but I'm not sure what's wrong with the Metra with that top screen, like, and it didn't even do that when I had it stock. So but forget your name, brother, on the YouTube, but this video is for you, because I know you're the one that's really looking at my video on this, but it's for for the other people too. But it's really just size them out. Let me know if y'all got any more questions. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment.